What if I told you that everything you know about the Pomodoro technique is basically outdated? Seriously. Because when I tried the upgraded version, something people are calling Pomodoro 2.0, my focus went crazy, my study time doubled, and I actually felt good while working. And the results honestly shocked me. Let me show you what happened. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Pomodoro 2.0, what it is, how it works, and how it completely changed the way I study and get things done. This isn't some gimmick. This is simple, flexible, and you can start using it right after this video. All right, let's get into it. What is Pomodoro 2.0? The original Pomodoro? Pretty simple. 25 minutes work, 5-minute break, repeat. It's good, but not great, because it assumes one thing. Your brain has the same energy all day long. Some tasks drain you in 5 minutes. Some tasks you could do for an hour without blinking. Some days you feel like a productivity machine. Other days, you're basically a potato. Pomodoro 2.0 fixes this. It adjusts your work sessions based on task difficulty, your energy level, and your focus ability right now. And that's why it works so well. Step 1. Rate your task. Before starting anything, rate your task on 2 scales. First, rate of your mental effort on the scale of 1 to 3. 1 is light work like checking emails, organizing notes, or cleaning your desk. 2 is medium work like watching a lecture, reading textbooks, or reviewing material. 3 is heavy work like solving math problems, writing essays, coding projects, or anything that requires actual brain power. Second, rate your energy level on a scale of 1 to 3. 1 means low energy, if you're tired, distracted, or mentally foggy. 2 means normal, if you feel okay, not tired, not hyper. 3 means high energy. You feel alert, motivated, and ready to focus. Now add the 2 numbers together. That total score decides your session length. Other rating plus high energy might give you a 6, which means deep work. Reading light material with low energy might give you a 3, which means a short session. This system alone stops burnout before it starts. Step 2. Choose your session time. Here's the Pomodoro 2.0 session chart I used all week. If your score is 2 or 3, do a 15-minute session, perfect for low energy or simple tasks. If your score is 4 or 5, do a 25-minute session. This feels like the classic Pomodoro and works great for medium tasks. If your score is 6, do a 40-minute session. This is the secret weapon. You use your high-energy moments for deep, focused work that actually moves the needle. Breaks are simple. 5 minutes for 15 or 25-minute sessions, 10 minutes for 40-minute sessions. And during breaks, no doom scrolling, no YouTube rabbit holes, just quick resets so your brain stays sharp. Step 3. The micro-check rule. Now the next part surprised me the most. At the halfway point of every session, do a 3-second check. Ask yourself, am I still focused? If yes, keep going. If no, adjust fast. Stand up, stretch, take 1 deep breath, then continue. This one rule stops so many distraction spirals for me. You know when you drift off and suddenly lose 20 minutes? Yeah, this kills that problem. Step 4. The 3-cycle boost. Pomodoro 2.0 works in cycles of 3 sessions. After 3 sessions, no matter the length, take a 15 to 20-minute break. That break is like hitting the reset button. I usually grab water, take a walk, stretch, clean my workspace, or check my phone with a timer. This longer break kept my motivation high for hours. Plus, it made me feel like I wasn't working all day, even when I was getting a lot done. All right, here's the part you're probably waiting for. I tested Pomodoro 2.0 for a full week and tracked everything. Before Pomodoro 2.0, I averaged about 2.5 hours of real study time daily, had lots of distractions, and often felt mentally drained. After switching to Pomodoro 2.0, I hit 4 to 4.5 hours of solid deep focus, had fewer distractions, fewer burnout moments, and I actually enjoyed studying again. My hard tasks finally got the attention they deserved, because I was doing them during high-energy moments. Also, making my sessions match my energy made the whole day feel lighter. No forcing, no guilt, just smooth, steady progress. Here's a simple plan you can use right after this video. First, list your tasks. Just write everything down, even the small stuff. Second, rate each one by effort plus your current energy. It takes 10 seconds per task. Third, choose the session length using the chart. 2 to 3 means 15 minutes. 4 to 5 means 25 minutes. 6 means 40 minutes. Fourth, do 3 sessions. Set a timer. Start. Fifth, take your 15 to 20-minute break. Your brain will thank you. Sixth, repeat if needed. Most people can do 2 cycles a day with zero burnout. Optional boosters that help me include lo-fi music, a tidy desk, water nearby, phone in another room, and using the same study spot daily. This method feels flexible, real, and way less stressful than the classic Pomodoro. Quick recap. Pomodoro 2.0 isn't about working harder. It's about working in sync with your brain. Rate your task. Rate your energy. Pick the right session length. Do 3 cycles. Take a long break. Repeat. That's it. If you want to study smarter, not harder, try this for 1 week. Your productivity will shock you. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more study and productivity tips, and drop a comment if you want a printable Pomodoro 2.0 template. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.